Seriously. Holy shit, it's like they're congregating on the edge of my property. Good God, what the fuck? Go away. Holy shit. This is not the peace and quiet and serenity that I moved into the middle of bumblefuck nowhere to enjoy. It really isn't. Holy fucking shit. Can't even walk up my own new driveway in peace. God damn it. Back of my land isn't supposed to be a goddamn fucking convention center. I'm not supposed to be holding events back here for rednecks. What the fuck? Back in here trying to measure how far my wood boiler is gonna be from the house and the barn, and all I can hear is people yelling and revving engines and slamming doors and shit. Holy hell. Keep in mind this new driveway is way further away from the road than the current one I have. Way further. God damn. I'm smelling exhaust fumes. That's lovely. Fuck. My dog barked at them, but that didn't make them leave either. It's like people think they are just entitled to fucking park there because the town dumped a bunch of sand and then flattened it out in my woods. They think it's a public use area or some shit. As if there's like a picnic table sign. A picnic table and a sign that says rest stop or something. What the ever-loving fuck. Good, they're gone. I'm gonna go see how many tire marks are on my land. Holy fucking shit, it smells bad up here. Ugh. Gross. I'm afraid they're gonna try to come down my fucking driveway. I'm gonna put a goddamn gate in here as soon as the driveway gets put in. Ah, man. Fumes, fumes, and more fumes. That's new. Look at this shit. Yeah, they were right here. They're right on my land. I want all of this removed with an excavator. We're gonna put a nice fence up right behind those mailboxes. In fact, the mailboxes are probably gonna have to move. 3 of them don't belong here anyway. This is not the road that those people live on. We are here past the time I'm supposed to be putting my birds to bed, obviously. Past dinner time, working on the first pond up here in the woods. And we are getting some shit done here. Got part of the driveway done, and now it's pondy time. Berm is going down here. The key, and working over here first so we don't get the excavator stuck. It's a method to the madness, sort of. Instapond. This is how much water came in here overnight. Hey! Stop trying to challenge the excavator bucket, puppy. You can see we have what looks like clay. It is not confirmed to be clay. And water trickling out of the side of the hill right there from the spring up here that I want to tap. So the pond overflow will obviously be going into this pond. We already got a nice rock right here. Look at this. So the spring is coming out of a seam right here, and another one just opened up. I just saw some clay fall.
I'd sit right up on that fucker.
Right here. There is water coming right out of the seam in the ground right here, next to this one. Got some major spring action. And here is the rate of flow right now. We just opened this up so it would empty to work here, and there's still tons of water coming through. And, oh no, I'm getting stuck in here, so I gotta get out. Oh, I'm thinking there's some clay in here. Nice rock. I've hit ledge right here, so that's as deep as this is going. Just gonna put some clay over it and pack it. This is maybe 8 or 9 feet deep, I'm hoping, on this side. It's at least 6 feet deep. I was hoping for 10. Yeah, slightly cleaner lens cap now. Look how much water is already in here after a few minutes.